Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super handy topic, how to turn off your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Plus in 3 different ways. Whether you're new to iPhones or just want a refresher, I'll walk you through each method so you can pick whichever works best for you. Alright, let's get started. First method is quite simple. All you need to do is swipe down into Control Center. Here you'll find a power button option at the top right of the screen. You have to tap and hold it for a second. You'll see an option that says slide to power off. Just go ahead and slide to power off, and your iPhone will shut down. Moving on to the second method. For this one, go into settings on your phone. From there, navigate to general. Scroll down and you'll see an option to shut down. Tap on this, and then slide to power off. Heading to the last method. This method involves Siri. You can give Siri a command to turn off your iPhone. Simply say, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone." Siri will ask for confirmation and you can confirm to power it off. So these are the 3 different ways you can turn off your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gave you the tips you need. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might find it useful. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Drop any questions or ideas for future videos in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring. See you in the next one.